Hey everyone, this is Luke from Cadus Maths, and welcome to a new video on the union of sets. Let's go back to the example of set A, which is equal to the set containing 1, 2, and 3. And let's say that there's set B, which contains the numbers 3, 4, and 5. And we can represent each of these sets using circles. So set A and set B respectively, and our question is, which elements or which numbers do both A and B share? Now let's look at the sets again. So we have set A equal 1, 2, and 3, and set B equal to the set containing the numbers 3, 4, and 5. And the question we are going to answer is, what is the union of set A and B? In other words, what is the set which has both the elements of set A and set B? And here we have our pictorial representation of this union. As you can see, we have the elements 1, 2, and 3 from set A, which are shared with the elements of set B, which are 3, 4, and 5. And in the middle is the number 3, which is shared between both these elements, or these sets. And using our symbols or set notation, we write A, symbol meaning union, B is equal to the set which contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the union between sets is really the elements that are in set A or in set B. Okay everyone, here is an example of us trying to find a new set, which is the union between two given sets. Here is the question. If set S is equal to the set containing the numbers 1, 3, 5, and 7, and the set R contains the numbers 5, 10, and 15, what is S union R? So, in other words, it's asking us to find a new set which has both the elements in S, set S, and in set R together. Let's first write the notation. S union R is equal to a new set containing the elements in S or in R. Let's start listing the numbers in set S, which are 1, 3, 5, and 7. Now that we've listed all the numbers in set S, let's start writing the numbers in set R. But you notice here that we've already written 5 in our new union set, so we don't need to write it again. Let's continue writing from 10, which is a number in set R, into our new union set. So let's write 10 and 15. And don't forget to close your braces. So S union R is the set which contains the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, and 15. I hope this example helps you to understand unions a little bit better.